how to go live on Twitch on PC. So for that, first of all, you have to open up Twitch in your device. So simply search for Twitch and head over to the first link in your interface and make sure to log in into your account. So after that, head towards the profile icon at the top right and click on this profile icon. And here click on Creator Dashboard. Once you're here, now again click on Settings from the menu bar on your left hand side and then go to Stream. After that, here is the primary stream key, so you have to copy that. Now once you have copied your primary stream key, what you have to do is you have to open up any streaming software. So for that, you can install OBS Studio, which is a free and beginner friendly. So once you have installed the OBS Studio, you can open the OBS Studio and there you will have an option as Start Streaming. Tap or click on it. Then click on Open Settings. After that, head to its Stream and now you have to select a service right here. So here select Twitch. Then click on Use Stream Key and now what you have to do is you have to paste the stream key right here. And once you have done that, click on Apply and then click on OK. Then you can open up OBS and then click on Start Streaming and you will be able to stream Twitch in your PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.